Imagine a world frozen in time, a century ago. It's 1927, and in a single room in Brussels, 29 brilliant minds gathered for the 5th Solvay Conference. Their discussions on electrons and photons sparked revolutions that define our modern world. But what if their inventions and discoveries never happened? Let's journey back and wonder, what would life be like without their genius? Start with Irving Langmuir, whose gas-filled incandescent light bulb and surface chemistry lit our homes and advanced nanotechnology. Without him, would we still stumble in candlelit darkness, unable to see the microscopic world? Marie Curie discovered polonium and radium, pioneering radioactivity for radiotherapy. Without her, would doctors diagnose blindly, leaving cancer unchecked and medical progress stalled? Max Planck's quantum theory with energy quanta birthed semiconductors and lasers. Without him, would we have smartphones or precision surgery, or be stuck in a pre-digital age? Niels Bohr's atomic model fueled nuclear energy. Without him, would we rely solely on coal, choking in pollution with no clean power alternative? Paul Langevin's ultrasound detected submarines and later revealed fetuses. Without him, would we navigate oceans blindly or celebrate pregnancies without a glimpse inside? William Lawrence Bragg's X-ray crystallography unlocked DNA's structure. Without him, would we understand genetics or cure diseases, leaving nature's code a mystery? Paul Dirac predicted antimatter, enabling PET scans. Without him, would we diagnose brain disorders or be lost in the dark of our own minds? Louis de Broglie's matter waves led to electron microscopy. Without him, would we see viruses or build nanotech, blind to the tiny wonders around us? Max Born's quantum probability drove modern computing. Without him, would your device exist, leaving us without the internet or this video? Werner Heisenberg's uncertainty principle and Erwin Schrödinger's wave equation built quantum mechanics. Without them, no transistors, no quantum computers, would we be trapped in a pre-tech era? Auguste Piccard's bathyscaphe explored the ocean depths. Without him, would we know the sea's secrets or harness its resources, leaving 70% of Earth unknown? Emile Henriot's ultracentrifugation advanced biochemistry. Without him, would we unravel proteins or develop life-saving drugs, stuck in biological ignorance? Martin Knudsen's gas kinetics shaped vacuum technology. Without him, would aerospace or microchip manufacturing exist, grounding our technological flight? Théophile Dedonde's irreversible thermodynamics influenced chemical engineering. Without him, would industrial processes lag, slowing modern production? Léon Brillouin's scattering and zones advanced optics. Without him, would fiber optics connect us, leaving communications slow and fragmented? Paul Ehrenfest and Ralph Howard Fowler refined statistical mechanics. Without them, would we model stars or weather, leaving the cosmos a puzzle? Eduard Hertzen improved X-ray technology. Without him, would medical imaging be crude, delaying diagnoses and treatments? Charles-Eugène Guy's electron charge measurements supported atomic theory. Without him, would physics foundations weaken, stalling scientific progress? C.T.R. Wilson's cloud chamber detected radiation. Without him, would particle physics advance, leaving cosmic mysteries unsolved? Owen Willans-Richardson's thermionic emission enabled vacuum tubes. Without him, would early electronics exist, delaying the radio and TV era? Peter Debye's Debye-Huckel theory and solid heat models shaped chemistry. Without him, would batteries or materials science falter, powering down our world? Hendrik Anthony Kramer's Kronig relations advanced optics. Without him, would signal processing lag, disrupting modern tech? Hendrik Lorenz's Lorentz transformation and Zeeman effect refined electromagnetism. Without him, would relativity or spectroscopy falter, dimming our scientific lens? Wolfgang Pauli's exclusion principle explained the periodic table. Without him, would chemistry or material science stall, leaving elements a riddle? From Albert Einstein's relativity to Jules-Émile Verschaffelt's gas research, these 29 Solvay minds in 1927 gave us light, health, and knowledge. Without their discoveries, would we have electricity, medicine, or the internet? No, a century later, we stand on their shoulders wondering, what if they never dared to dream? Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's explore more wonders of science together.